Want to earn money by completing simple offers on SproutGigs? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to complete offer tasks the right way. So you get paid without getting rejected. Visit SproutGigs.com. SproutGigs. Log into your account. Enter your email and password. Then click login. Now go to the top menu and click earn or create an account for new user. Click sign up. Then enter first name, last name, nickname, email, password. Create a strong password and select your country from here and select your profile tab. I'm a freelancer and check this box. Then click sign up and create a unique username. And almost there. And go to your Gmail and accept and login again. Click remember me and login. You will see several partners like AdGem, Offer, Tool, Toro, CPX Research, AdGate Media. Click on one to see available tasks. Click clicks offers. Go to your account, then personal information and select gender. And click save profile. And set your birthday. And click save profile. And that's it. Now click on browse service and pro offers. First of all, you need to complete your profile. Then click and offer, like download or open this app, follow the instructions exactly. For example, install the app, open and reach a certain level, keep the app for 24 to 72 hours if required. Do not use VPNs or fake information that can get you banned. Take a screenshot as proof while completing the task. Some offer walls may ask for them if there's an issue. Use your phone and PC to access different types of offers. Complete your profile for more survey matches. Focus on higher paying tasks like app trials, finance app, sign ups, game level completions. Always clear cookies cache if offers don't track. And that's how you complete offer tasks on SproutGigs. Stick to the instructions, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. You like this video if it helped, and drop a comment with your favorite offer wall. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.